Welcome to another free tutorial brought to you by ExcelLearningZone.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use simple data validation in Microsoft Excel 2010. Here's a real simple data validation example. Let's say you've got a list of people, first name, last name, and you want to enter in the number of kids they have. Well, you want whole numbers, that is, numbers that don't have a fractional or decimal part, and of course, the smallest that number could be is 0. And let's say you don't want to have a number greater than something crazy like 30. So we want to set up basic data validation for this column. So select column C, come up to the Data tab, and then come over to Data Validation. Now, you can pick from a list of allowed values. There's any value, whole number, decimals, list of values, dates and times, and so on. Let's pick whole number between the minimum value, 0, the maximum value, let's say 30. Then I'll hit OK. And there's all kinds of things you can set up. You can set up custom error messages and prompts that come up when someone's trying to enter data. I cover all those things in my different classes. But for now, let's see what happens if I try typing in some values. If I type in a 2, no problem. If I type in 5.5, I get yelled at. An error message pops up. It says the value you entered is not valid. And yes, you can customize that. I can retry or cancel. I'll just hit cancel. I can type in 0. Let's try typing in 45. And again, I get yelled at. The value you entered is not valid. All right, retry. 22 kids. And so that right there is basic, simple data validation. With more advanced rules, you can check for all kinds of different situations. You can make sure the value is text or numeric. You can make sure it's a date between two dates, a time between two times. You can check to see if an email address that was entered is a valid format. Lots and lots of different things you can check. I cover most of these in my Excel Expert Level 10 class. You can find more information on my website. That's the Excel 2010 Expert Level 10 class. I cover data validation and lots more. YouTube viewers, come to 599cd.com/x147. That's a special link I've set up for you. You can watch my complete Excel Beginner Level 1 course. That's almost 90 minutes of lessons, absolutely free. Plus, you'll get a discount on this and any of my other courses should you decide to buy them. Again, 599cd.com/x147.